Hello, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where we make Amazon affiliate marketing easy and quick in this series of videos. Today, I'm gonna talk about something special, which is the top 5 niches on Amazon that can supercharge your affiliate success. Now, you may be wondering why these niches. Well, it's simple. These are the hotspots, the area where people are always looking for great product, whatever you are pro or just starting. These niches offers ton of opportunities. Also you should know that these niches has proven themselves to be not just trends, but every year you will find those top 5 niches between the top 10 niches every year because they are so viral, and it's so important because you will know why when I mention those 5 niches. Now we are about to say them, so whatever you are a beginner affiliate marketer or you have business affiliate marketer, stay stick around as we break it down to the secret of affiliate success in these top 5 niches, and let's start. Those top 5 niches, the first one we have health. They are not ordered, but I will just tell you the top 5 niches: health, technology, and we have kitchen and home. Also, we have beauty and self care, which is personal care. Then we have outdoor and fitness. Now, if I go to Google and I searched for those top 5 niches, I will find out that they are between the top 10 niches in this year. And now you know that you can use those top 5 niches and choose one of them if you want to have a successful affiliate marketing journey. Now, what we will do is we can go to market and do some market research and search for those niches, or you can just start and choose one of them if you want to. Also, you have to know that technology is the top niche on Amazon affiliate. It has a lot of commissions. So for example, the commission of someone buying buying the product from your link technology product, it's higher than he's buying a home product. So they are ordered, and you can search that on affiliate program on Amazon. Now, what we are doing is I can go to TikTok. Now, the strategy is you have to choose the niche, then you have to choose winning product. How to find winning product? There is a lot of methods. The first one, you can do also some market research, like you have to analyze the current market trends and identify products that are in high demand. Like consider using tools like Google Trends, social media insights, or e-commerce platform to spot rising trends. Also, you have the niche selection. Once you choose the niche, you can go to Amazon and you will find out here those this product are selling fast. You will find out that Amazon, like they give you, for example, you have here home and kitchen, and they will give you the top product that now is selling fast. Also, once you go back to TikTok or any other e-commerce platform, you can search if these products are selling fast in all the platforms or just here on Amazon or wherever it's going on. You have to search on those niches. So for example, here we have fashion, and you will find here home, and you will find some self-care or skincare. So, also you have something like customer review or feedback. You have to play on the key points or when you review the product. Read customer reviews on e-commerce platforms, and also you can see the problems that this product can solve. And use these informations to refine your product selection. You have a lot of uh, ways to find the product. Also, you have social media trends if you're gonna work out with this. I also use TikTok. You can go to TikTok and search for TikTok made me buy it. So once you search for TikTok made me buy it, you will find out that they give you the popular product. So but it's not all just for affiliate. Those videos are made for online business as drop shipping, as if you are a affiliate marketer, if you are whatever you are. This show you the product that are going now viral or successful that you can choose. So I use social media trends and social media platform for like emerging trends, and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok can be like sources for identifying popular product. So you can use one of those. Also, you have keyword research if you want to use keyword research tools to understand what people are searching for in your niche. And you have a lot of ways. Now, once you choose the niche, you have to find the product. I told you that you can search on TikTok if you want to. Also, you can use e-commerce platform and see what people are interested in. Now, let's say you choose the product. What you will do is come here to Amazon associate platform that you created. Just sign up on Amazon, and I showed you how I opened this account. And I did not fix all the informations like you see here. I still have a tax problem, but I can fix it easily. So if you want to know how I opened this account, and I will do videos fixing this tax problem and fixing all the things. I have this problem because I have some problems on my location. If you are in US or in other way, you will find out that you don't have that tax information problem, but it's okay. Now, once you create the account, I will leave the video in description if you don't know how to create Amazon affiliate account. It's so easy, but I will leave the step-by-step guide video on the description. Now, once you create this account, I did it as an example like you see here yesterday. Once I opened this account on Pinterest and on Instagram, I used just those two platforms because I want to do just a test if my links are working well, because you have to do some test. I did the test and I found out that the link is working. So I didn't work on TikTok because also on TikTok I have a problem on this account, but it's okay, I will fix it later. Now I will do this account as an example with you, and I will show you how I will work with this account. Now I created this account. Till now I didn't use no dollar. It's all for free. I opened an account. I searched for trending product using no e-commerce, no nothing. I didn't pay for no platform. I just used trends. I used product review on seeing customer what they are interested in. And I go here, for example, let me show you. Let's say I want to buy this or I want to promote this. Now you will find out here, get the link. You can just tap on it and they will give you the link. So here you can copy this is the full link, but just click here on the short link and copy this. Now you can go to your Pinterest and you can create videos like this. Just it's so easy. Download them from TikTok. By TikTok download with a watermark on Google. Just copy the link of the video, go there and paste. Download the video. Go add some trending music or add your voiceover, or just leave the video and do some edits, whatever you want. Post those videos. Search for high quality pictures of that product on Pinterest. Do some edits on Canva and start posting them on your platforms. What you will do is post the link on each post on Pinterest. Also, I create Linktree, which is where I post my products link, because on Instagram you can't post the link on every post. So I did this. If you want to know how I did this, I will show you. So now I can add all the product link just in one link on my profile. So once I changed the products, I can now change put just the link here, and once someone want to buy any of my products, I don't need to change all the Instagram account just for another product. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and see you guys on my